Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing another accessory review for your MetaQuest 2 headset, and we're going to be looking at these attachable headphones by Kiwi Design. In this one we will unbox, I'll show you how to put them on, and then I'll give you my review of them in the end. If you haven't checked out all my other accessory reviews, I'll link that playlist below where you can find that. Let's jump into this one. Alright, let's open these up. So here I've got my Quest 2. I've just got the Kiwi battery strap on. That's my preferred head strap at the moment. And you can see on these we have R and L. So I'm going to just turn this way as I install this here. We'll put them on the different sides. Now here you can see that this piece here pulls up and down, as you can see there. So that's going to help us install these. And then that pivots as well. I'm going to put it like that, so I think that'll give me a little bit more space. And I think I'm going to just kind of detach this just for a moment, because I feel like I might want to use this cord holder there. So I'm going to put this through there. And now hopefully you can see this clearly. I've got the bottom part held on there. Actually, maybe what would be the easiest? Okay, that was much easier. I actually just put the top on. I'll show you again. I put the top piece on, and then it just extends up so the bottom piece can clip in. And then you're good. Then you're in. Now I'm just going to slide this back a little bit. This cord can now go through the little holder there. Same with this other cord there. They can both go through that holder. Come across to this side. Again, that extends up, so I'm going to put that piece on first. Extend it down. Clip that in, and it's on there. And now we've got our audio here, can plug right into our headphone jack on the side. And that's it for installation. If you want to use these little ties at all to tie this down, then you could do that. You could use that as well. I'm just going to leave that for now and go from there. So I'll put this on, see how they work, and give you my review. Alright, so I've been able to use these headphones a little bit here, and I wanted to give you my review of them and kind of show how I use them as well. So I have them attached here just as I did before. This time I actually added the little Velcro straps just to hold the cords down on both sides. The head strap I'm using is just the battery head strap. That is my preferred head strap right now. So if I put this on here and tighten that up a little bit, these headphones will suck down right in there. And the one thing I actually like about these detachable headphones compared to just the audio head strap itself is that you can adjust where they go along the band there, whereas with the audio head strap, they're stuck in the one spot and you have to just move it up and down and move these side to side. But with these being detachable, you can actually move them anywhere, and it gives you more flexibility with it. And then you don't actually always have to use it either. You can take them off if you're not wanting to use them. Sometimes I don't like using them, but sometimes I do, and so I really like having that detachable option. In terms of audio quality, definitely better than the stock headphones, just like I said with the audio head strap. It's not like they're anything crazy, but they are good. They are better than just the regular stock headphones for sure. The thing that I really like about these ones is they're really soft, they're really comfortable in the ear, they sit firm, but they don't put too much pressure on or anything. And also the noise canceling feature about it, I love that. If you're looking for a nice immersive experience, something like this is an awesome option. These ones, they block out the other noise. They really immerse you in whatever experience you might be doing. I tested it out, with games like Beat Saber, things like that, where you want music, you want good sound quality on that one. So overall, they're a very good quality product. I like it better than just the audio head strap or even the battery audio head strap that I've also reviewed there. I just like being able to take them off and put them on. You know, that's a really nice feature. And then especially for fitting them in a case, if you're looking for a case that fits the audio head strap with these always attached, that can be a bit more difficult. But by being able to detach them, then you can just kind of slide them into the sides of cases or in the accessory pouches or anything like that, right? So that is another big plus for these here. So if you want to check them out on the Kiwi website, you can use my discount code Brian Sloan, all capital letters, to get an extra 5% off. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I encourage you to do so, and we'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.